I got to do this fantastic class with Reg, and we created this fantastic and beautiful mosaic as a team. It was amazing. I loved all of the sounds, all of the peace, all of the vibes, and I feel enriched, I feel motivated, and happy to make more art. Thank you, Reg.
We are currently participating in a Mosaic mandala learning experience with Reggie, and it's been really amazing. We started out with the sound bath, which was my first experience with the sound bath, and it was really peaceful. It was very grounding. We're communicating with each other, we're getting to know each other, which I think is really the thesis of what Reg does with this work, and so it's been a very wonderful experience to be able to have new experiences workshopping wise, but to also have new experiences with new people and kind of bring everybody together.